Hi, content creators. Want to boost your social media game with jaw dropping AI generated visuals? Today, I'll show you how to use the StarryAI to quickly create a scroll stopping content for Instagram, TikTok, and more, even if you have zero design skills. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to visit the StarryAI.com or open the app in your iOS or Android devices. Then, here, log in or create a free account. Then you can craft a compelling prompt. Your prompt is the heart of your image. Think of something that aligns with your brand or niche. For this example prompt here, you can prompt for travel pages, motivation pages, or fashion and more. Then after that, you can choose the right style and settings. Pick a visual style that fits your brand, like for example, realism, cyberpunk, fantasy, and more. And then here you can select your aspect ratio. And advanced users can tweak runtime and model for a higher quality. Then, after that, you can now generate and download the image. Just stop the create and let the AI do its magic. And once generated and happy with the result, click download and share it and add branding or text. This is optional. You can open your Canva or your favorite editor, and also you can here add your logo, wallpaper, or caption to make it yours. Then save in appropriate format for each platform. Then after that, you can post strategically. You can schedule or post directly to your Instagram or social media platforms. You can use the image for your Instagram post or reels, for TikTok backgrounds or visuals, for your interest pins, and Facebook page content, and more. And use a batch creation to make several posts at once. This helps to build a content back for you to drip out over the week. And that's how you turn your simple prompts into social media gold using the Starry AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. Thanks for watching!